They don't understand. I have been to 3 psychologists, and they can't help me. No one can. They can't chase away these voices in my head and these dark images that keep on playing in my mind.
You think you all know me, right? Well, you don't. I am poison ivy. I destroy lives and corrupt souls. I was molded from ashes and brought to life. I follow you everywhere you go and become your master. I can smell your fears and impurities from a distance, and you become my victim, just like that. I am the ghost that can never see the light. I am Black Butterfly. Come on. My favorite part was about to come. What happened to the crying part? You little poor thing. All alone and no friends to talk to. Grow up! Now, be a good little girl and wash that blood off. And go to class before anyone notices that the weirdo is not there.
I can feel their eyes staring at my scars right through my clothes. But I need to keep going and always look down. It's as if they know my secret. I know they talk about me behind my back. Fat, ugly, black, and calling me all sorts of names they can find.
You've been acting really weird lately. What's wrong?
I guess you're one of them now. I mean, everyone has been saying that, so I'm not surprised.
You know what? As much as I don't want to cause a scene right now, but I'm tired of you, Crystal. I have been trying to get through to you for a month. And all that I get in return is attitude. Look around. This is not some kind of reality TV show. This is the real world. And I am your only friend who cares. Look, if you don't want to be friends with me anymore, just tell me.
I never had friends, so I don't know what you're talking about. Tula, tu, tulam, dum, tu, Tulasana Tulumanu Sobuya Ekuseni Kukwinganyesi Ekanyelu Fefe Ekanyelu Fefe Ekanyelu Fefe Tula Tula
You did good today. Look, you don't need her. You are better off with me. Hey, we should try something new. How about you try and cut yourself with the blade until your pulse stops? Then you can join me in my world and we can be real friends. Look, no one is going to hurt you there. Trust me, I will protect you.
You promise?
I promise. Now start cutting. We don't have much time left.
Crystal. Crystal. Crystal, wake up.
What happened? How did I get here? And how did you find me?
I was going to the tennis court. I always go there when I'm feeling down, so I decided to come past the amphitheater. And when I got here, you were just laying there. And there was blood everywhere. And you had no pulse. And I thought I was going to lose you. Why do you do this?
I'm just so tired of everything. Thank you. I don't know what's got into me, Sandra.
You're never alone. I'm always with you, Crystal. Sisters forever. You know what? I never thought I'd actually say this, but I guess those first aid classes Augustus and Kita are really paying off.
I don't know what's happening to me, Sandra. It's like the whole world is coming to an end. It's like I'm possessed or something. I miss my old self, but I can't find myself. I'm lost. And I know this sounds crazy, but I feel like a walking zombie.
No, you're not. Look, you just need to accept yourself and be who you are. Don't let anyone tell you you're not worthy enough. Be you, crystal clear. Hey, are you still gonna perform that song tomorrow at the talent show?
I'm not sure.
Come on, you owe it to yourself.
Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah. Wow, guys, that was amazing, wasn't it? Huh? Wow. A special thank you to Tumi on that amazing dance. I'm sure we can all agree we'd love to see that again, right? Yeah. But first, our last event for the evening. Would you please put your hands together and welcome to the stage, Crystal.
Crystal. Crystal! You can't do it. You are a pathetic, ugly little teenage girl with nothing for this world. Come with me and be a queen of the darkness.
Come on, Crystal. You can do it. This is your moment.
Come to me. Come to the comfort of the darkness and despair.